just say. I the grace, I the man, oh yeah, what again? Oh yeah, feeling in my heart, feeling in my soul, feeling in my body, and feeling in my head. Oh yeah, baby, come do the whole face shit. Oh, feeling in my heart, feeling in my soul, feeling in my body, and feeling in my head. Oh yeah, baby, come do the whole face shit. Baby, fine, no.
My baby is sweet, oh.
My baby is sweet, oh.
Hey,
The melody they bust my brain, oh. I can never forget, oh. Now you they make me freestyle, oh. Nine, 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 nine. Oh yeah, now you make me love down. You make me love down. My body go down.
My baby said,
oh, fish.
Takara now for me. Takara, oh, fish. My baby said, Takara, Takara, oh, fish. My baby said, oh, fish. My baby, oh, fish.
The way this calabash be, the way this calabash be. Now so normal gay. Supposed to be.
Na lie. I never get boobs with this.
No, that's oversized now. Boobs, get up for your chest.
So this girl, Cozy, wait, Cozy.
Carry that calabash.
Cozy, you'll be part of that.
No, wait. Showman, see more practical. Wait, more practical. Use your jacket, take cover and like say, you be there now. Now see your boobs.
Cover.
Yeah. You see now. Your cloth.
Wait now. You know that, so when girls they wear clothes, they expose half of the boobs.
No, too much.
I know, come on.
Cozy boobs are this size. Now here they come out like this.
So you wish for your girlfriend or your wife
to get cozy boobs. Shakara. All men love boobs. If they put your head in between that cozy boobs, you don't wake up.
And the girl when that girl be they like me.
Yeah.
No be joke. When you shoot one video, you know say na there first meet.
Come, this matter where we dey talk now, sef. You don't make me remember one thing now. I beg. I used to go beg with I beg. How you go feel now? Like person like Kosi now. Make you, I be babe. Me and you they date now. Make person like Kosi come date. She dey find PA. I know if you agree person like you be PA for person like Kosi now.
Oh, if for the see. For the
now look at that the other side. Make person like you now, rich fine boy. As you then so make sure my girlfriend can say won't be PA for you.
No, if I do the reverse. Do the reverse.
I beg my people in the house. No matter what in my head today with that, how will I go feel? Or be you fit? Agree. Make your guy or your babe be PA to one very sexy fine boy. And you get money, rich, sexy fine boy and babe. I'm telling you.
If you understand the economy of which you are coming from, you allow your babe to work anywhere.
Don't forget what I talk
home.
Sexy, rich, fine, player.
You know, I try to remind you. I try to remind you of where we did. Understand?
Yeah.
You know say if you get family where you come from, if person offer you puff outside. You go and say, no, I don't want. But get family where you come from, person give you puff, you be like Christmas. You understand?
No, but
so that's why now the angle I want to take them there. Just excuse me 1 minute.
Okay.
Now, no job, no anything. Now the only work where they be that your wife get to this fine guy, my brother, you don't have problem with it.
No,
are you a witch?
I know I agree with you because you see, it is very. This thing, it don't happen for one movie. I keep forgetting that movie. Now, one American movie where the girl, the guy where she loved when she even they grow up, childhood friends, they can't marry. So everything where they do, where she ever, the only guy where crack and this virgin and that guy, and the guy that regular sex in the ways do, you know all this kind holy, so just come. So she now don't come they work. She was a shrink where they counsel people. She can't go meet one guy. And that guy came for that mission to make her fall. Because nobody be feeling safe. When they hear, they don't see this movie. I don't forget the name. It's called Temptation.
Okay.
Suppose us here. Temptation and hair.
Is it fighting temptation?
No, temptation itself.
It's not
temptation.
fight. There's nothing fighting there.
This one
But there's a
Fighting
movie. There's a
temptation.
movie.
I want to give you.
I want. When I'm gonna do like
that one day. That one day.
I don't let them watch movies.
Fighting temptation.
But finish this story. So I mean, you know, say anything can happen. This is someone that you can call your soul, your destiny, everything. You know, say everything that you and this girl. But when this guy hold it, when he begin the show and trip, he carry him. They supposed to travel together now on business. So only him inside plane, only you on a private plane. They come, they serve him. He come begin the water small. She don't know where she fall now. When she begin, they crank the guy. You know what in there? And the guy called they do and sees way in husband no they do him. That kind of thing we say inside plane now. He go on crank you. As they reach house, she they cook. Now for the kitchen, now he bend the head. But the husband, when he
wait, made it like that.
You know, she go
make she surrender first.
Surrender. She go house now. One go try the same thing for the husband. Says she just go house, honey. You guys see.
and it depends. You know, this way Shoma talk now. I see sense inside small for the first time. I don't know whether that person tell you the story because
that movie I watch
for you to make sense.
That movie.
Okay, now move your hand. No wonder. I know you don't think this guy.
But really, you know, say
excuse me.
You know, say workforce as we did. So many temptation there everywhere.
You know,
even
easy.
the place where we serve the work, we serve. We know say temptation there.
Meanwhile, this way talk this PAT. You know, say get where your wife. You know, so be guys. More use us as example. They do PA to person. Let me say the person is 38 years old. Same with you. And see the level where the person dey. And then you be your own husband. You know, feel they pull this kind.
Wait, where the guy did.
Wait, you understand? You know, say respect go drop.
Yes, now. Let me tell you.
Definitely.
That's why most men know they agree, make their wives.
Definitely.
They go outside, go work. You know, get how you start to put your wife with a man who get money. Because naturally, first, if you really be whole money, and your wife can't tell you, say she won't be PA to maybe to one senator, or where you don't see your wife, you don't agree.
You don't agree.
So that means say you know whole. So when your wife go even begin to do it, she going to begin to tell God, forgive me. You know why I'm doing it to help my family.
Okay.
You naturally go begin to say that way.
Can I this question? If you don't get at all, you don't get. Is it allowed for you to stop your wife from working as a PA to a fine and a richer man?
Yes.
Why? That means you're a witch. I probably ask this question because I don't see a person like you. Go talk, you be.
Let me tell you why. Let me tell you.
Wait.
Let me tell you.
No. Why?
Money.
You don't get money. Your wife see work.
Excuse me. Money is not everything. Let me tell you. That's why I like some movies.
Then what will be everything?
Wait,
that's why I like you know those movies.
Don't bring movies
Hold
into
on.
real life.
But in reality,
movies
do you know if they feel allow you to see the future, say, Sakara, as they leave this bar now, if you step from here to here, if you follow this road, say your leg will break. If you follow here, your leg will break. You will avoid some things. You won't tell me, say you choose to lose your wife.
Apart from wait,
no, wait.
So as I dey here now, as I dey like this now, say I can't marry wife, she can't get job as PA to Dangote. I can't say, no, you are not doing that job.
No, that's different. You see, Dangote.
What's different from that?
Dangote is
that means I'm a daytime witch.
No.
I want to ask you one question, Shuban. You know, say to me now, I see you as being selfish.
Explain why.
Yes, why? If
and insecure.
Amateur in performance.
And amateur in performance.
Let me tell you.
We put it to you.
No.
That
and categorically.
That's what.
You are amateur in performance.
Let me tell you. This thing about money, you know people who they shout past, when they make noise say, you say too much. Your wife go open leg, hang out for ceiling fan. You go open door. You never see where man they call cat wife. Where is man give this? On top bed. The man they crack her. As the man won't go carry his gun. Shoot, do I go say? Anyway, too. That car outside there, that this man, school fees, your children's school fees. This house where we get so. Now this man. Now you maybe the man go they say, no, what do you want? This when you finish, come, there's breakfast, there's everything, you know. So there's a level. Let me tell you. You won't tell me, say, let me tell you the truth now. Some things, people like say, they say, if you want to give person money, say, if I want to give you money, I know, say, you say you want 20K. I know, say, I know fit to leave that 20K with you because people feel fail you no come pay you. So they say if you don't say you don't feel leave that money, no borrow person money. If my wife be pay to Dangote and Dangote sleep with my wife, God forbid, what is I feed one?
So you want the best thing to stop her.
So you want to stop.
I'm asking you a question.
Man,
wait, get money, no get. What do you feed one?
Okay, wait. If you stop your wife from working now.
Now the only one we are waiting for this life.
We are waiting with talk.
Do you know?
We say the scenario and say if now that one be the only work we day. You know
I won't be the only work we day.
Wait, now that be the only work we day.
How many work day in Nigeria? How many graduates today where they roam everywhere?
My brother,
see, and
again,
you have a work.
And you can be creative.
And again, let me just boost your confidence a little. Let me boost your confidence a little. So that you get more confidence about this thing. You know, I don't mingle with some kind of men, small. I notice that most men, we get money, we get company, we hire PA, don't do anything with their PA. I swear to God. I don't witness them. I don't know them. They get this orientation. They get this orientation.
No
business go fall.
Chakara.
Before business go fall, make you do I go for street.
And when we come back, I'll challenge you on that thing.
We will talk about it. Yeah, make a selfish person.
Tell me say selfish
you waiting. Now. You're telling me
the person go carry my wife for inside office, beginning wire am. She don't talk anything. Tell me
say. that question hard now. I jam question be this.
I go let her do am.
Yes, now wetin dey there?
Why not? If there's trust, why not?
No, I no go give you because many things dey involved.
It depends on our relationship with the person and nothing personal now. As long as they're not dating, they need to date themselves and they are just normal work. So nothing dey there. As long as our professional career she dey do.
If I trust my wife, there's nothing that cannot be impossible. It's not possible. You understand? She go fit work with her. Because I trust and say nothing will happen. That one I feel I go trust my babe now, but I trust my babe that means I go feel later down.
If he be a to a kind of rich man tomorrow, if I call him for phone, go they do me, go they post me all these kind of things, say you know, so I no go agree. Because if I allow a man be PA to that big man tomorrow, as I no get more rich to that big man, I definitely go leave me.
If I trust my baby, no wahala. She go run now, she go become the PA, no problem. But when I come notice say she don't play one kind smart move, I will just ask her one politely, you like the guy or like him money? If she don't come give me convenient reason, don't come give me better reason. I know say she don't leave her job, come to enter another job. You know now. Yeah, I know say everybody. And guy man go say that many fishes in the river.
To the cheat on you, you go know.
You must know.
I want me, you know that. You must know if woman not start to
but
cheat
the
on
thing
you.
be say,
You must know.
If she not call they do that job again, call they do blow job.
That guy say, she leave her job. You do another job. They say, you don't see.
Okay, now
let me tell you.
Make me look at like this now. If now you can't do that your babe scenario now, say okay, job no day, nothing. Now you can't want be PA to let's say woman will be say it equivalent to Dangote. You understand? Woman will get bar as Dangote to get bar. Now you want to PA for, and now the only job where you get with that. You believe say your babe or your wife don't go let you do.
Let me tell you the truth. You see this thing even on the both sides, while at the day, when a man or a woman. But you see, they safe for a man because even your wife self go no say naturally men they cheat. So the money they come house, you understand? As long as they come from the man. And men, you see women they feel say they're smart pass, but men also get sense. Man feel there now they look the woman and say, okay, no what I give her what she wants. He dey crank, he dey do it, but he's collecting enough money to come back. Now, see the difference. So, man fit collect enough money, he don't go discard the wife. Because man don't go say I'm ashamed. But woman, if she begin to collect money, the man they can't travel. You know the PME of to rich man? But let me tell you what pay to rich man mean, you go to travel.
Yes,
late night, so early morning to the man house.
A lot of things. No, not be okay the travel.
But the thing I say,
why you a PA? Then why you a PA? You have to travel.
Another thing I want to travel. Another thing I want to look into now say,
but
you know, say from office, you understand? You dey office, the man travel.
You go dey run things from office.
You understand?
But sometimes, but when once the man begin to like you,
let me tell you,
when once begin like you must travel.
Let me shock you now. Do you know, as I am, I don't know if any other guy, I don't know if you too. If I get wife where they work as PA to any man and she dey get something to do with the man, you know what I go know? Without being told.
It's obvious.
Because my psyche is strong.
Let me tell you.
It's been working for me.
Let me tell you. Don't play with women.
No, I dey tell you, no matter the woman, no matter the colleague.
Woman smart, oh.
You smart, you no go take because it will show. You know why?
But you go show, yes. You go show one day. But you know, say you go shock, say before, when you go call show, if you don't reach like 1 year, you don't know.
No, you don't reach 1 year. Because
I want to tell you now, say, he know how. Where we say woman where they follow do something very intimate regularly go start to cheat on you. If you come back, you go know. Some things you will see this, except you know they notice.
Yes.
You will see plenty signs. Because see, man tell you
something.
something. You get some kind of things where you now they do before. When we say she not to they complain or she always do on point with them. But someone after when she don't they crank another person, when she they feel say the person they more useful than you are. So many other things going to come up, she's going to look into.
Let me tell you something. I get as a professional married counselor that I am.
Come on.
I mean, I've counseled a whole lot. So I know what I'm saying. Let me tell you, for instance, if a woman has very high libido, sex drive, nympho, that urge, she can satisfy you and satisfy that her boyfriend or boss somewhere. And let me tell you what, most women, because women, they more family orientated. They know no woman won't lose in husband. Because people go talk say, you don't lose that. Only time we hear a woman go lose her husband and when the man don't know. And the man no agree. So a woman can hide a secret. That's why I say.
Now they take, except you are not sharp as a man.
My brother. Do you know when last two of you here now. When last your girlfriend mess for una front?
I bet more this is your opinion.
When last he mess for the front?
Can man this is your opinion no before hand your man.
You won't trust why? I beg.
Coming back to your opinion. No. What's wrong with you?
At all.
No.
Yes, Nana, working dey fine now.
Why not?
I know people agree make my boyfriend be maybe PA of one fine lady of the company. I know agree.
I don't think say wahala dey.
Because my boyfriend, if he be womanizer, maybe say go come carry as in come dey date, maybe the woman like my boyfriend now. May the woman come dey use style, come use and collect my husband. I no agree. I no agree make one woman come collect my boyfriend.
It depends on wetin you wan go do there. Yeah, because they are always fine. Whether the woman get money or you no get money, they go fine, shey you get. So it doesn't really matter maybe the woman fine or she no fine. Now wetin you wan go do there, him go mind.
As long as you know wetin work be and if it differentiate business from pleasure and just set boundaries and know that I cannot do certain things at certain hours. I think it is okay as long as there's trust. If we have mutual understanding and we understand ourselves, then if
you want be PA, make you be PA now. So far I say they do that the other one. No wala. Person will be PA to someone, a woman for that matter. Now the closest person will be say, if you want to get across, as in you want to get across the oga, now the guy first. So and along the line, definitely there's bound to be an attraction. Maybe say the man feel they fall for the woman because the woman a young lady now. Not be saying even though na old woman self, they go want bound to they like each other and all. So and from there something will happen. So and it's just the same thing as make woman be PA to a man also. It's vice versa.
You don't see what it is.
See. As a matter of fact, I won't tap everybody, both people, both street people, both on our way to the studio. Say, you're not supposed to be barrier. you can be PA to anybody. I should be I talk and since. Now you don't know me say.
Where you want to talk and talk.
I come wait now. Wait, listen now, listen. What of those madam there where they get driver? We be straight. Why they know they go they crank their driver? Why be say because say now you will be PA?
My brother, because,
you know how close. Wait, no, they call closeness. And they come wait.
Level.
Closeness.
Some people they like
you
level.
know the closeness.
Fine, sexy
my brother, there's level in everything. There's taste.
But when they talk of closeness,
say
now
because
every day they see
because you be driver. When you carry madam
and everywhere.
Shakara, let me tell you something. And I'll talk about myself point blank and tell you. If you my wife, you see say I dey work with someone like Desiani, I be PA to Desiani, even Itagiwa, yeah, Rita Dominic.
Hey, no call Rita Dominic,
Genevieve, I be Genevieve PA.
If you be Genevieve, but Rita Dominic,
Rita Dominic,
no go there, no call Rita Dominic.
Desiani, my love. See, if I hear. So let me tell you, there's no how. Every day you come. You know what you want about PA? Women, women they very, very soft. People say that she come now, the husband don't break her heart. You come as a sharp guy. You know, you don't observe her. You're not looking good today. Are you okay? The husband don't even care. If you don't forget his birthday, but you come now, you remember his birthday. Before it happen now, you go begin. When any of your boss
will remind you, say, madam, so.
No, be your taste with that. No, be your taste with that now.
Social media, but
is that your taste?
Young drivers there now.
Hey, they are young drivers. They are drivers that actually go there because they want to get the woman. If you get any young driver, no give out to your wife.
Hey, Shakara, you give one.
God forbid today now, make things come hard for me. I want to be a driver. I will go and be a young driver to a big person. So someone like me, can't drive your wife, you are in trouble. You are in trouble. You are in trouble. There's nothing where everybody talk here. Our regular person, Joshua Olayinka Ndama. He said, yes, I would.
Joshua, your hair girl here.
Emeka is a kingmaster. He said, cheers. I don't know what that means. Obina Twin say, all right. Hashtag BOBOS.
Now to show you, say people say don't like the idea.
You see, I can't. Nobody
to me, no be
idea.
Problem. Nothing. Cranking feel no be because say PA be close to madam. If not, madam go down the crank cook where they close to her.
I don't tell you know.
It happens. But it happen now.
It happen.
The ratio is like 2%.
Let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question. If you, Shakara, then puts you today with one rich woman, tell yourself you have a character. Okay, I don't want to call my girlfriend.
Okay, maybe
I don't want to call
the with Rita Dominic.
Except that one, a person who don't like.
No, wait, maybe I put you with Rita Dominic.
Okay, maybe I put you with my sweetheart Itagiwa.
Mama, old woman, what you concern me?
Eh?
Lie.
You hear that on the streets? Let me tell you.
At the talk of person will be say I like, that's one way be say young and sexy.
Shakara, you don't like to be realistic. Let me tell you, this thing you know go know when you go start. So you won't tell me say one rich woman now can't carry you now as they travel, go America, go this, they spoil you, do this. Then one day she can't plan it. When I can't go now, no accommodation, they get only one room one day. So I can't dey for inside the same hotel.
I will not put like that. I don't. I've been
traveling alone. You dey America.
I don't travel alone before.
You dey one room. Then she can't come out clothes. Say she want go change.
Because Kaimen what don't spoil. What don't spoil?
I go dey catch you.
What don't spoil?
What don't spoil?
When I don't see the word don't spoil, we will carry consonant now. I beg. Girls of these days, organic.
Before we don't talk one say before girls they like fast food. This one I say because girls don't sabi cook because they worry me now. I don't know say most girls.
Not the only say they don't sabi cook. I get babe where we say she go tell you say I can't saw my nails.
You know what they cause her?
Her nails.
You know what they cause her? Now this thing, pinging, chatting, online, this one, that one, everything. Some girls believe say they don't cook. No my goosey soup where your mama will teach you. They go.
Yes, nah.
You know, if you enter Google, say how
you
to
go
cook
see how to make egusi soup.
everything go come outside.
The problem is say things they dey one side. And that whole they sing which kind soup mama cook ogbo. No. Pepper no dey so you guys.
Now one girl do for my house now. I don't know she Google ingredient to cook ogbono soup come outside. So now they can say 1 teaspoon of pepper. Boom. Meanwhile, she won't cook for the full house.
Yay!
So, at the end of the day, the soup can't be like pap. No pepper, no salt. She could say, no, it was exactly, say she put 1 teaspoon. I said, they're not telling you the quantity.
The quantity of the whole pot before you put them. It's a bad thing.
Chakra, give me your last
when DJ don't do it, you want for sure from.
You want for sure from.
You know, when DJ don't play blues, it means a party won't end.
That's all.
When me my home be say free me, my woman to work as PA. So if I trust her.
Sure.
I put it to you point blank and categorically, the God I serve will not let my wife be a PA. Because if anybody is a PA, a female PA to me, I will not vouch to you. Something will happen. Simple.
I beg, anyhow will be the most important thing that say me you trust your partner. Allow him do what he wants. You know, because say your partner will.
Allow him make his sleep outside.
Someone just confess now that he's a very bad boy.
Take it. Take it.
We don't go